Hey guys, LechK here. I was driving earlier, I heard some clicking noise. Notice I got a huge nail in my tire. Air was down, so gotta patch it up. I'm gonna show you guys really quick how to patch this using one of those simple tire repair kits you can really pick up anywhere these days. One tip, don't remove the screw that's stuck in your tire, as that's keeping the air in there. If you need to, put some extra air in the tire and remove it when you are ready to fix this. That's what's keeping the air in there. So let's get started. So the kit itself is pretty simple. It will come with two tools like this. I recommend getting a kit that has these T-handles, not a straight bar. It will be easier to use, which I'll show you guys in a second. This one is for cleaning and making the hole the appropriate size. This one will be to insert the plug. And then these are the plugs we're using. Some kits will also come with the cement, which in this case we're going to use. But if it doesn't come with it, you're not using the cement. So let's go. So first you gotta grab a plier and remove this screw, nail, whatever it is. There you go. I would say that's decent size. Now you're gonna grab this tool and we're basically cleaning the hole and making it the right size to plug it. All right, so that's good. Now we're gonna grab our plug kit, take one of the strips out. We're inserting the strip into the hole right here, up and down. Pull it through so it's in the middle. And now you would just shove that right in there. But since we have the cement, we're using the cement as well. And with the cement, we're just coating this and a little bit of the rod, just like that. Now we can pull our spike out. We're shoving this in, we're gonna twist it halfway and pull it out. So, and let me show you close up. I'm gonna give it a half twist and a quick pull. And that's it for that. You can cut off the excess. And that will basically do it. Since we did use the cement, you want to wait 15-20 minutes before inflating. If you didn't use the cement, technically you should be fine just with the plug and you can inflate your tire, but it's always good to wait a few minutes if you can. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. We'll inflate the tire, we'll make sure no leaks, and you're all set. We got all this inflated and I feel no leaks, so we are all set. And if you guys are looking for a cool inflator, check out my review of this thing. It's a beast.